Master task group in async and await to perform concurrent tasks in SwiftUI. Learn how to run and cancel tasks. In this tutorial, we'll be creating this application that retrieves some weather data using the Weather API and also retrieves some user data. The user has two options: to cancel a task or to get a task, as in run a task. So if we click on get data, this will retrieve the two payloads. As you can see, it retrieved the weather data for Tokyo, London and New York. If I click on it again, then click on cancel, the payloads will not be retrieved and they will be cancelled. Now I'll click on cancel. And you can see the weather data task was cancelled, so it ignored the data that needed to be downloaded. So this is the feature that we'll be creating in this tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe for more Swift and SwiftUI tutorials. In this tutorial, we will create the function to fetch the user's data using JSON placeholder API. After lines 95, type the following: func fetch user data async, which will return an array of user data. Net URL string equals HTTPS JSON placeholder dot users. So that's the API. The next thing we need to do is to ensure that the URL is valid. String URL string. If it's not valid, we just return nil. And also, we need to simulate a 5-second delay. That's what we done yesterday. Try await task.sleep. It sleeps for 5 seconds. If any errors happen, we need to catch them, but we don't display the errors. Next thing we need to do is to create the URL session data task to fetch the user data from the API. Let task equals session dot data task with URL weak cell data response error in. If cell dot cancel flag equals true, dispatch dot main async cell a message equals user data task is cancelled. Ignoring data. And then we just return. To do something similar to what we've done yesterday. Really, this should be within a reusable function or an extension. So what we need to do now is to check if there's a network error, and if there is, we just show the message. So I'll just copy what we've done yesterday. Which is between lines 59 and 66. Failed to fetch, that should be user data. And then similar to yesterday, we need to check to see if the data that we have received is correct. If it is correct, we then attempt to decode it. So we need to copy this between line 69 and 92. And then we paste that code after line 125. On line 131, we need to change a few things. The decoder's response should be user data, because we're expecting an array JSON objects, so that should be user data. We don't need 133, so we can delete that one. Also, on line 135, we need to assign self.user data is equal to the encoded response. On line 31, we need full stop self. And then what else do we need? Task resume is needed. Data task.append. Task if needed. Turn me off. So yeah, we can delete this bracket if we don't need it. 109 to 140, that should be user data. On it. In the next tutorial, we will include hard-coded city names for the weather API. Don't forget to subscribe for more Swift and SwiftUI tutorials.